Hello, I'm Omar and I'm a programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the folders on the sidebar of the Finder window. Now, let's say you have a bunch of folders and shortcuts on the sidebar in your Finder window, and you either deleted them or you don't want them to be there anymore, or maybe you put one in there by accident. So come over here and I'll show you on the Finder window what I'm talking about. So see these folders on the left hand side, I don't really need. I just put them there by accident. So if I go ahead and remove, right click on it and click remove from sidebar, it'll delete them. Another thing I could do is hold down my command button and just click on them and drag them out of the sidebar, and it'll also delete them. So you can go ahead and delete whatever things that you don't want from the sidebar, and that's how you would clean up the sidebar in the Finder window. I'm Omar and I hope you enjoyed my video. Have a good day.